I'm Kelsey Grammar. My dad was gunned down at his home at the age of 38. When my father's killer was released, I found out through the National Enquirer. It seemed like a cruel joke.
Well, maybe you have seen this ad featuring actor Kelsey Grammar supporting Amendment 6. It's also known as Marsy's Law. It gives additional rights to crime victims and their families. It's Amendment number 6 on your ballot, and critics say it could undermine the constitutional rights of defendants.
But as Fox 13's Lloyd Sowers shows us tonight, the widow of a local police officer says the law gives victims a voice in the process.
A solemn memorial for an officer killed in the line of duty, Charles Kondak, a Tarpon Springs police officer who left behind 6 children, and his wife, Teresa, who had to deal not only with the grief, but also the search for justice through the trial of his killer.
It was my husband, it was his life, and it was taken, so it was important for me to be a part of every step.
But she says the man who admitted to killing her husband was allowed to apologize with the jury present.
I'm writing this apology to ask you for your forgiveness.
But Teresa and her family weren't permitted to speak about his victim, Charlie Kondak.
How huge his life was and what was taken from us, and what our life has been like without him.
What about my rights?
She's speaking out for Amendment 6, which, among other things, would give victims the right to be heard. It would require that they be notified of proceedings and protected from the accused. But opponents like the ACLU and the League of Women Voters say the amendment would limit the time the accused have to appeal and remove provisions that say victims' rights cannot infringe on the rights of the accused. For the Kondak family, nothing will bring back their father and husband, who was gunned down. But Teresa believes Amendment 6 could help others.
If this helps them, it's totally worth me sharing our experience with it. That's my hope anyway.
Lloyd Sowers, Fox 13 News.